back-to-back meetings have already been taking place by both the BJP as well as the Congress right ahead of this particular all-party meeting. And so far, the all-party meeting, there are a total of 8 parties and 14 leaders who are all set to take part, which includes the NC's Farooq and Omar Abdullah, PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti, the CPIM's MY Tarigami, and that includes a list of 14 different leaders from Jammu and Kashmir who will be taking part, and that includes leaders of BJP and Congress as well. Meanwhile,
at his Delhi residence just before the all-party meeting that has been called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to discuss statehood delimitation and also the upcoming assembly elections of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. That's Farooq Abdullah's residence, and he has gone inside with his entire cavalcade. And he, in fact, this is the live visuals that we're breaking for our audience. This is me, Sumi Rajapan, with Republic for Republic with video journalist Mukesh, New Delhi.
All right, so that was my colleague Sumi giving us the confirmation of Farooq Abdullah, who has now arrived in the national capital. Remember, earlier this morning, we saw as to how Home Minister Amit Shah and several other senior top BJP leaders also reaching the Prime Minister's residence after meeting and holding talks with the Prime Minister. NSA Ajit Doval was also in attendance, meeting at the S7 Lok Kalyan Marg. And all eyes on that crucial meeting of the Prime Minister's historic all-party meeting with the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir that is set to take place at his residence today. And we have a list of a total of, in fact, 14 leaders who will be taking part in this crucial meeting. Remember, this is also significant because this is right after the first such meeting taking place post the abrogation of Article 370. Certainly a first such political meet post the 370 move that was taken. And now we are expecting several discussions to take place, which will certainly include developmental issues and the progress that the Valley region has made post the abrogation of Article 370. Will there be big Kashmir breakthroughs on cards or not? We'll have to wait and see once the meeting starts this afternoon. All right, let me go across to my colleague Sumi, who's joining us live from outside Farooq Abdullah's residence. Yes, Sumi, please share more.
Yes, we had just seen the National Conference President Farooq Abdullah arriving at his Delhi residence. He had landed in the national capital at around 12:30, and he took barely 15 minutes to reach his residence from the airport. And in fact, these are the live visuals of his residence where he came with his entire cavalcade. And remember, this build-up is going on for the all-party meeting that has been convened by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which is going to be held at 3 a.m. today. And in fact, Farooq Abdullah had announced that People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, that is PAGD, will attend the all-party meeting, and he's not only just the National Conference President but also one of the former Chief Ministers of Kashmir. And in fact, some of the key issues that will be discussed in this crucial meeting will certainly be statehood. And also we had just seen the Farooq Abdullah's daughter also, Sara Abdullah, arriving at his residence to meet her father. In fact, this is the first time, and this is certainly the first time, after the abrogation of Article 370 in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, that this crucial meeting has been convened by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And here, not only Farooq Abdullah, his son Omar Abdullah, who also happened to be the former Chief Ministers of Jammu and Kashmir, and along with all the other prominent leaders, including Mehbooba Mufti, are in the national capital to attend this meeting, and they will discuss at length about statehood, about the assembly elections, and also about the special provisions of the statehood of Jammu and Kashmir, because we had remember how Farooq Abdullah and company had been constantly against statehood. So they will certainly be putting their concerns forward, and this meeting will certainly be very crucial and will be very, very significant, and what will come out of it will only be known after 3 p.m. today.